everybody, welcome to Susan from Senior Style. December full of gifts. All right, so we have a gift today from my hubby, from Coach. We went to downtown Burrad Street to Coach, to the Flagship store yesterday. We had a great time. We took the train. We went to the Key. We took the sea bus. We had a great lunch at the Thai House. I highly recommend it on Lonsdale. And then on the way back, we stopped at Coach and picked up my new Disney purse. So it's limited edition. There's no more left. It came from Quebec. And let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so they wrapped it up in a raincoat because it was raining yesterday and it's still raining. So how's the weather in your area? Is it snowing? Normally by this time it's snowing, but there's no snow, so who knows? And I always get asked about my lipstick, and my lipstick is Hermes, and it is Rouge Erotic. And my makeup is Dior. So there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing from Coach. All right, so this is limited edition. This is from Mickey's Garden, from a cartoon short in 1935. All right, so let's go ahead and get the raincoat off of it. I never got a raincoat from Coach, so if you guys have, let me know in the comments, but no, that's a first one for me. And Coach has a lot of beautiful bags, so you can go Chanel, you can go Fendi, you can go Hermes, but Coach is pretty good on the leather too. So, and the cool part that I did find out that Coach in the Flagship store in Vancouver, they do bag spying, and they do clean your bag and look at it, and they'll tell you if they can help you or not. So that's a pretty cool service. All right, so they gave me a bag like that. If you've never seen a Coach bag, you probably have, but never know. All right, this one has a dust bag. So anytime you get a Coach bag with a dust bag, it's the higher end bags, basically. All right, this is not an outlet bag. Nothing wrong with outlet bags. I have a few myself, but there's a difference between outlet bags and retail Coach bags. I didn't know that before. I thought they were all the same, but apparently they're not. All right, that's the bag. Then you get your receipt. Comes in a little thing like that. All right, this is what a Coach dust bag looks like. All right, let's go ahead and reveal my new Mickey bag from Coach collaboration. This is a studio bag. It holds quite a bit. I was really surprised. This is what the front looks like. So basically the story is that Mickey shrinks down into the flowers. All right, see all the flowers there? That's the side. This is the back. It has a pocket. And then it also has little flowers on the side here, which is cute. It's got a tag and it's got a clochette. This bag locks. There's a lock there with the C. And there's a little crochet here. Isn't that cute? And then it's got the key in there. All right, so it pops open like that. And this is the leather. And this is the underneath of the leather, the suede, basically. It has a leather adjustable strap. It's not detachable. It's got one piece here. It's got the Coach here. It's got, let's see here, the tags are back here. All right, let's take the tags out. It comes with tags Disney X Coach. So that's the collaboration, basically. Stick that in the bag. All right, there's a pocket there. Okay, and then there's another pocket in the front there. All right, so I'm going to be using this today. Another thing that I found out also is that coat, we asked about using this like in the rain, right? So the lady said that they're coated, so you don't have to worry about it. So I didn't know that either. All right, so you learn a lot when you go into the store. They tell you a lot of stuff. Isn't that cute? That's the inside of this flap here. Okay, and then that's the back. That's the whole thing there. All right, so that is my gift of December. And it's really a cool bag. I'm really happy that I got it. My husband really wanted me to have it. And I'm really glad he did because I wasn't really sure. And I don't have a pink bag, but I have one now. All right. So until next time, please like, subscribe, and share. It's all free. Why not? Have a great day. Thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.